welcome to my new blog post 3 of SQL series. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the basic users of the databases. So let us start. So as you can see that there are three dummies that I am showing, and they are basically shown as the users of the databases, and in the center the rotating image is basically DBMS or database management system. So the first one is administrator. So administrators basically maintain the database management systems, and basically they are responsible for administrating the database. They are actually responsible to look after its usage and by whom it should be used. They create access profiles for users and apply limitations to maintain isolation and force security. So database administrators also look after DBMS resources like system licenses, required tools, and other softwares and hardware related maintenance. Next one, which comes in to the play, is basically SQL designers or SQL database developers. So basically, these developers or designers are the group of people who actually work on the designing part of the database. They keep a close watch on what data should be kept and in what format. They actually identify and design the whole set of entities, relation, constraints, and views. So at the database administration and designing part, we actually maintain the security levels, and we also go for analytics and data warehousing concepts. So then, and the end part is the end users, or the basically they are also known as business users. Business users or end users are those who actually reap the benefits of having a DBMS. These users can range from simple viewers who actually pay attention to logs or market rates to sophisticated users such as business analysts. So these users normally see reports. They don't know how the data is being processed or it is being controlled, and which is actually being done by administrators and the SQL report designers or SQL developers. So this is all about the users of database. I hope so that you have understood the concept